Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amit Kamath and welcome to my channel Health Talk and More. Today I will show you and unbox the smallest ECG device or a pocket ECG device. Now this device, which is called as kardiamobile 6L, is designed by AliveCore Innovation System. This device is a future for heart health. Now this device is very easy to use. It is affordable as well as it is very portable. This device is as small as an ATM card and it can be easily carried in your wallet. This device, which is called as a kardiamobile 6L, can record a 6-lead ECG, and the other device, which is called as a kardiamobile card, can record a single channel ECG. This device can give a medical grade 6-channel ECG within 30 seconds at your home. Now I will demonstrate to you how to use this device. Now before using this device, you have to download the kardiamobile app on your mobile devices through the Play Store. And once the app is ready to use, it has to be paired with the device using a Bluetooth. Now to record a ECG, we have to place our thumb on these two electrodes which are given on this device. Now the third electrode on the back of the device has to be placed on the left lower leg or the thigh. Now once you place the lead on your left leg, the app automatically detects the device and starts recording the ECG, and the app records the ECG for about 30 seconds, and at the end of the 30 seconds the app also analyzes the ECG and gives you the report. The device can detect 6 arrhythmias which are known, for example like tachycardia, bradycardia, possible atrial fibrillation, normal sinus rhythm with wide QRS complexes, premature ventricular complexes, premature atrial complexes, and sometimes even ischemic changes in the heart can be detected. This device is a FDA approved device and is CE certified. The company also claims to give a cardiologist ECG review once in 90 days along with the heart health summary report. In my opinion, I think this device in future may become like a home BP monitors or a glucometers, which will help us to detect ECGs at home very easily. I will leave the link for the device in the description. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.